It is my profound honor and delight to welcome you all to the International Conference on Communicating Health, Happiness and Longevity for Sustainable Growth. As the principal of Government College Ani at Haripur, Kullu, in the picturesque Kullu district and the beautiful mountain view which we have here in Himachal Pradesh, I, Dr. Anita Sharma, stand before you filled with a sense of pride, responsibility, and humbleness. Welcome you all for this season which we are going to have for the next 2 days. Firstly, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Rajendra Singh Chauhan, the Vice Chancellor of APJ Shimla University.
So when it comes to happiness, basically in our country, so why we are getting more and more depressed here, or we can say why depression is higher now in the country. The most important thing is that basically that there is a crisis there. The most important crisis which is going like we have a standards basically decided by some other people. People decide politically how we should live, शादी कैसे करना, कपड़े कौन से लेना, गाड़ी कौन सी लेना. Somebody else is deciding my happiness basically parameter. So मैं जब गाड़ी खरीदता हूँ, I usually ask people कौन सी गाड़ी चलती है. When I think about doing a marriage, I say क्या खाना लोगों के लिए रखना है. When I buy a home, I see लोगों को मेरा इंटीरियर पसंद है. So this concept of basically like what people are going to think about me, this creates a problem because then we become too demanding and we are trying to match a standard with other person. अपनी चादर के बाहर पैर चलाने की कोशिश करते हैं. That's the reason why we are, because of the excessive demand, not because of the expectation. Unfulfilled demands जब हो जाते हैं तो इन आम लोगों के साथ में happiness का इंडेक्स कम होने लगता है because then you feel there is something missing in your life. So there are two words which are very important. One is happiness and one is contentment. Happiness can be a euphoric effect. Happiness, if I buy an iPhone 14 and I say to my friends कि iPhone 14 लिया हो, TV on किया, iPhone 15 launch हो गया, मेरा फोन पुराना हो गया. So happiness has gone down. I bought Audi 8, सब वो बताया मेरे पास लेटेस्ट कार है, but TV on किया, Audi 9 launch हो गई, मेरी गाड़ी पुरानी हो गई. Contentment is sukoon. I don't have an iPhone 14, 15. I don't have an Audi, but I have people around me to share and express myself. Moment हम लोग वापस community से जुड़ेंगे, I think India will come up. So we need to have community programs. We need to have people like you who should connect and make bond among the community and materialistic दुनिया से दूर होके let us now think about the minimalism. कम में जिंदगी कैसे जी सकते हैं? That will create happiness. Second question is about the chemical of happiness. So simplest way में chemical निकलते हैं. So early morning, just a 3-minute sunrise. Rising sun को 3 मिनट देखने से there is a chemical called melatonin. It's a natural antidepressant. चेहरे पे खुशी आ जाती है, रौनक आ जाती है, चेहरा खिल जाता है. So ये sleep regulator है. रात को 10:30 बजे नींद आना शुरू हो जाती है. एक appetite को proper कर देता है. It enhances the biological clock. एक 3 मिनट का उठते हुए लाल रंग को सूरज को देखने से भी हमारे chemical निकलते हैं. 20-30 मिनट का early morning walk towards the east direction can secrete endorphin. सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से एंडोर्फिन निकलता है, टच से ऑक्सीटोसिन निकलता है. टच किए हमने एक दूसरे को, पत्नी को, माँ को, बच्चे को, हाथ पकड़े हमने, ऑक्सीटोसिन सीक्रेशन होता है. सो सिंपल तरीके से we can have this chemicals at home which are happy chemicals. We don't require a mobile phone, we don't require a reel and short. In fact 1 hour के ऊपर में जो कि सभी हैं, उन्हें 1 to 2 hours on screen time reflects basically the dopamine level. ये dopamine को बिगाड़ रहा है. और इसकी कारण से we all are feeling more and more stressful nowadays, more and more dull because more on screen time. So screen time should be less than 1.5 hours. That will increase the happiness because then रोज आप देखते हैं कि कोई अमेरिका घूमने चला गया, किसी ने कार खरीदा, किसी के घर में पार्टी हो रही है, and you feel like हमारी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, अपनी जिंदगी तो बड़ी बेकार चल रही है. तो किसी और का स्टैंडर्ड सुबह शाम देखते देखते आपको दुख हो जाता है. इंटरनेट विल टेल यू एवरी सेकंड कि somebody's life is much better than you. आपसे better जिंदगी किसी की चल रही है, and that creates unhappiness. So that's the reason I'm working more on cyber psychology and quality of life, working with lot of community where उनको happiness में online के थ्रू अगर है क्या, तो अपने आप को कैसे filter करिए minimalism के ऊपर क्या है. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Is there anyone who would like to ask any question? Sir.
Can I ask?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a wonderful, lecture which we have just gone through. Your presentation was very colorful. I think half of our stress had, gone with the colorful PPT. And the
Thank you, sir.
smiling on your face which you had shown us during your presentation, that was also very connecting to the people over here. All of us, we belong to the digital immigrant age because we were the people, those who had begun their life in our teenagers with the books. And for me, being from the literature side, I think books are the best, friends. And if you have innocence, you have innocence is bliss. So two things goes on hand in hand, the books and the innocence. But today the problem is we are taking up the people, those who are tech born, tech natives. When we say the students now who are coming to the colleges or schools, they are well oriented with their technology, with the Google Amma, and they ask everything from the Google. So sometimes I feel overexposure of the knowledge is also not good. That also, adds to the sadness of our young generation. So I'm just worried about that, how to take them back to the world of books. Kindly throw some light over there so that our students also hear that. Thank you so much.
So ma'am, the most important thing here we need to understand, because I can see a different generation here sitting in front of me. We need to understand the generation first, what type of generation are available in the society. So 1945 to 60 is the baby boomer generation. The people those who are born into 1945 to 60, the mathematical, systematic, disciplined people, those who have seen the partition, those who have seen the freedom struggle, and very systematic and disciplined, and they have a better longevity than we have because of the disciplined life. 60 to 80 people, those who are born in 1960 to 80, they are called Generation X. धर्मेंद्र राजकुमार देवानंद की मूवी देखने वाले रोमांटिक एरा वाले पीपल, those who thought about the entrepreneurship कि मुझे कुछ बड़ा घर चाहिए, बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए, तुम्हारे पास क्या है, मेरे पास घर है, बड़ा है, गाड़ी है, मेरे पास माँ है. This dialogue came in 1960 to 80. That is connected to Generation X. Those who thought about separating from the families. 80 to 2000. Most of you may be from that particular generation. That is for Generation Y. They are also called millennials. So this time, basically, internet came, as well as at that time, TV also came up, and technology came up, and this generation basically, who wanted to go for multitasking thing, they wanted to go out, put up a earphone, and wanted to listen to music and talk to somebody. चार काम एक साथ करने वाले. And generation 2000 के बाद वाली, जिसके आप टीचर हैं, प्रोफेसर हैं, they are called Z. Genetically intelligent generation, day one when they open up the feast, पहले दिन पे अपना हाथ खोल देते हैं. Puberty had come up to 8.5 years, which was earlier 14 years of age. European countries has come to 6.5 years. Genetically intelligent generation, overlapping beliefs, values and perception, and the most important thing, they become believe towards short communication. बिल्कुल short communication में बात करना चाहते हैं. From the people of the generation of emojis, very short communication. And 2010 onward generation is called alpha. So the 2010 के बाद जो पैदा हुई alpha generation है, again they are 5G. 2000 में आप लोग 4G, आप लोग हैं 3G, इसके पहले वाले हैं 2G. So there is a three-generation gap when it comes to the communication aspect. Now when you talk about books, these children they don't want to go for the elaborative discussion and explanation. Not this type of session has been attractive to them. They wanted to have in a short, so you can understand the comparison. 45 to 60 वालों के समय में मुगले आजम movie was for 9 hours. 60 to 80 में movies came to 3 hours. 80 to 2000 में came to 1.5 hours. 2000 onwards, now it has come to 30 seconds of reels. The attention span has gone down now. So here basically bringing back them to the book, we need to have short, small communication pattern with them rather than going for elaborate fictional things. They don't relate to that particular part. And the most important, as you said, they are all online now connected to everything. डिजिटल माइग्रेंट्स हैं हम लोग अभी इस वक्त में. So this generation is very sensitive. They are very much connected to the emotions. They are very much connected to culture, to the conservation, to climate. They think about climate. They think about conservation. They think about the global warming, about carbon credit. The most important thing, they are lacking in the bonding aspect. So here the parenting aspect has changed. So the complete ecosystem, the school, the college, community, parent, they all have to come together if you wanted to change Gen Z and Alpha. They see you have a different role model, you have a different lifestyle, and you ask us for a different thing, it is not acceptable. Now, simple way, just as example, simple way, a mother of the generation millennial, 80 to 20, she wants to convey to Gen Z and Alpha that take this mobile and keep it there. She will not talk in this way. She will go elaborate thing. इतना परेशान कर दिया तो समझ कर करना क्या है? एक तो घर में इतना कचरा पड़ा है, पापा ने खाना नहीं खाया है, कपड़े भी यहाँ रख दिया है, इसके सारे मेरा को उठा मोबाइल उठा के बाहर रख दे. And child get confused. इसमें से मैटर क्या? पापा का मैटर था कि क्या मैटर को रखते हैं. तो उसको फिल्टर करने में टाइम लगता है बहुत ही. So here I always say, wanted to convey, share with the Gen Z and Alpha, we need to have a new language with them. Then they are ready to do everything. First, they wanted to have a scientific language. If I tell them सूर्य नमस्कार करो, they will not do it. वो बोलेंगे, उनको अगर मैंने बताया सुबह उठ के सन देखने से मेलाटोनिन निकलता है, they accept it. That's the thing. They want scientific evidence backup. Then they will read the book. Then they will come down to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Like if negative emotions they come to our mind, obviously it is going to hamper our mental health. So even most of the students they are not even opening about the issues we are facing. So how can we deal with them, and what kind and if you can share some short mental exercise for them, that will be very beneficial to them.
The audio was not clear. I just understood this thing. Either you are asking for some mental exercise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, for anxiety and depression among students.
Of the students, right? So basically, like what we said about the Ayurveda Dinacharya, or when we talk about the quality of life or the Western aspect, when we talk about the views of everywhere. So from last around 18 to 20 years, I have been practicing. Since my background, basically I have been with various departments. I was not only as a psychologist. I worked with physiotherapy college. I worked for homeopathy college. I worked for Ayurvedic also. I worked with sexology. With different departments. When I was the professor there, then I came to practice. So that's the reason why when I come up with the suggestion, it is an eclectic approach. For mental exercise for students for depression, there should be an eclectic approach for them. That includes a good sleep, a good diet, and good exercise. For smaller thing, what we can do, like every student, anybody who wants to improve the concentration, who wants to come out of depression, first thing he has to wake up early in the morning. Now, waking up early in the morning, having 2 glasses of lukewarm water, that in the brain, and rising sun, what I said, 3 minutes rising sun, and 20 minutes walk in the morning, that creates 3 chemicals early. That is endorphin, oxytocin, and melatonin early in the morning. It gives immediate result within 5 days. I tell you for this thing, within 5 days, if you ask them to see sunrise, go for a morning walk, and have a heavy breakfast before 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 से पहले heavy breakfast. Because they have dinner at night at 9 p.m. Then they have lunch at 2 p.m. next day. So there is a gastric secretion, there is a carbohydrate demand in 17 hours. So we ask them not to do that thing. Take your breakfast, that is called break the fast in the early morning. That's the reason why earlier used to say, सुबह का खाना राजकुमार जैसे, दिन का राजा जैसे, रात का भिखारी जैसे. इंग्लिश में बोलने लगे, heavy breakfast, light lunch, light dinner. जब इंग्लिश में बोले तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. हिंदी में किसी को समझ में नहीं आया पहले. So heavy breakfast is basically it increases your glucose level, brain को glucose पहुंचता है. So melatonin, endorphin, glucose सुबह हो गया. Every 4 hours उनको बोलिए meals लीजिए, गैप न करें. And second thing, evening में 6 to 8 के बीच में शाम के समय में half an hour, 1 hour का कोई exercise routine which makes them sweat. जो उनको वॉक करना है, बैडमिंटन खेलना है, या कुछ उनको एक्सरसाइज करना है, ऐसा कुछ चीज हो जो उनके स्वेटिंग आ जाए. Again, it secretes the chemical frontal lobe में उनके साथ में काफी कुछ एक्टिविटी होती है, which has a regulation of sleep also. So सो अगर ये 3-4 चीजें उनकी रेगुलर लाइफ में किया विदाउट काउंसलिंग आल्सो, विदाउट आस्किंग देम टू लिसन टू अस फॉर हाफ एन आवर टू एन आवर, तो भी उनकी लाइफ में बहुत फर्क आ जाएगा मैम, काफी फर्क आ जाएगा। ये आप 3-4 चीजें उनको करने को लिए, बाकी उसमें कर सकते हैं लोग।
Thank you so much, sir.
मुझे अच्छी तरह से I extend my gratitude to Government College Army and all associated organizations for orchestrating the parliamentary event. मेरे ख्याल में टाइम बहुत हो गया है, तो शायद लोगों को लंच करने का कर रहा है, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा। जो इन्होंने मुझे 3 पेज दिए हुए हैं बोलने के लिए, और असल में मैं कभी जिंदगी में बोलता नहीं हूँ जो लिख के दिया है क्योंकि मुझे, मैं दिल से बोलता हूँ। और जो जब मैं लिख के देता था, जब मैं वाइस चांसलर था, तो मेरे हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट देते थे कि जी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है, और मुझे पता नहीं चलता था कि कॉन्फ्रेंस कौन सी है, क्या है इसका टॉपिक। ऐसा ही मुझे यहाँ भी लग रहा है कि ये मेरे से बिल्कुल अलग है। हेल्थ या ये जो कॉन्फ्रेंस है, हैप्पीनेस और सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ, ये आपस में इंटरलिंक्ड, एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अलग से आइसोलेटेड। उसके पीछे ये नहीं कहता, जिसको हम कहते हैं होलिस्टिक इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच। तेरी जाओ, जैसे हम वर्ड्स में जाता है ना, करके गया, करके वापिस आया। जब वापिस आया तो उस मच्छर से पूछा, बेटा कैसी रही फर्स्ट उड़ान तेरी? और what is the deep insight in this? In fact, the story, कितना सुंदर इसके अंदर शब्द है, और मैं जिंदगी में वैसा बनना चाहता हूँ और वैसा सोचता हूँ। कहते जो भी मुझे रास्ते में मिला, सबने मुझे ताली से वेलकम किया।